6 weeks ago, Michael Gaine disappeared from Kenmare, County Kerry. What was initially a missing persons case has now been reclassified to a homicide investigation.
Michael went to the farm on the 20th of March. He never returned home. We are absolutely heartbroken. We are devastated. Our lives are shattered.
From the moment Michael was reported missing, there have been extensive searches carried out. From the Gardaí, from the community, even the army has been brought in. Gardaí have carried out over 320 formal inquiries, have taken almost 130 witness statements and have recovered over 2,000 hours of CCTV dashcam footage. But Michael's disappearance still remains a mystery that has left people wondering how, in this day and age, someone can vanish without a trace.
Extensive searches utilising specialist equipment have been carried out for the previous 5 weeks, which have failed to locate Michael. The disappearance is completely out of character and entirely at odds with the pattern of behaviour established by the investigation to date.
Gardaí have now commenced a formal criminal investigation and say there is a person or people who know what happened to Michael.
Gardaí are seeking information from any person who can assist us in bringing Michael home to his family.
Michael comes from a tight-knit community which has been left puzzled over the disappearance of their friend and neighbour. His family has been left with a distressing uncertainty as they continue to search for answers.
He was my best friend, my husband. He loved his home, he loved his farm, he had lots of friends. He was a very popular guy, and his disappearance is totally out of character. This whole thing has been devastating. If there is anybody that has any information about Michael, do please come forward and talk to the Gardaí. We just want Michael to come home. We want to know what happened to him, because if we can't find Michael, I just don't know what I'm going to do. I just want Michael to come home.